Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Having been plagued by untold environmental pollution and biodiversity loss for many decades, communities in the Niger Delta are faced with insecurity, hunger, and starvation. In more recent years, food production in the region has been adversely affected by the devastating impacts of climate change. The good news, however, is that Emmpek Farms, a food processing and packaging firm located in Oria, Ethiopia East Local Government Area of Delta State, is all set to change the narrative.
Nigeria's Niger Delta region is endowed with vast arable lands and has one of the highest concentrations of biodiversity in Africa. After many years of environmentally unsustainable methods of crude oil exploration and production, the region has become a wasteland where vital food resources are depleting by the day. Consequently, food insecurity, poverty, conflict and underdevelopment have become the order of the day across communities where people languish in poverty in the midst of abundance. In view of the predicament faced by an ever-increasing population in the Niger Delta, Emmpek Farms, a food processing and packaging company, has introduced organic agriculture to restore the health of soils and ecosystems in the Niger Delta. Emmpek Farms was incorporated in October 2014 with a vision to deploy regenerative agriculture to mitigate the adverse impacts of hydrocarbon pollution and climate change on food security in the region. It has so far supported some 500 rural farmers with restoration of degraded soils and biodiversity, and plans to train no fewer than 2,500 farmers in the Niger Delta by 2025. 9 years after it was established, Emmpek Farms has become a leading food company in Nigeria with investments in poultry, fish, cassava and oil palm plantation. Emmpek Farms deploys modern technology, research and innovation to grow, process and package organic food while improving biodiversity and climate resilience in the Niger Delta. Emmpek's whole egg powder is a premium quality egg powder derived from its farm and produced in its factory. The powder made from the finest quality chicken eggs is great for cakes, brownies, sponges and muffins. Another top-of-the-range product now on sale is the Emmpek homemade gari, which is prepared organically in accordance with the original sapele recipe. Emmpek's homemade gari is produced and packaged under hygienic conditions with NAFDAC approval, contains fiber and carbohydrates, sand-free, dry and crunchy, and has the best aroma and taste. Emmpek's special palm oil is extracted from the mesocarp of palm fruits. It is a premium quality palm oil with less than 3% free fatty acid content. It is best for cooking and frying, making nutritious supplements as well as soap and detergents. Dr. Emmanuel Audu Owaborua, a retired public servant and technocrat of Delta State origin, is chairman of Emmpek Farms. Recently, Dr. Audu Owaborua represented Emmpek Farms at the just concluded Intra-African Trade Fair and was given an award in recognition of his innovation. Emmpek Farms is inspired by environmental sustainability, climate change mitigation, economic growth and job creation. Its mission is to create shared value through affordable food products in the Niger Delta.
Inside the Niger Delta,